So I wear contact lenses, obviously. For my makeup videos, I like to wear contact lenses, and sometimes I'd have this long nails. I've been really into this kind of like gorgeous long French nails lately. So I have these two tools here. This is what I use to wear my lenses and remove my lenses when I have long nails like this. So actually I ordered this cute teensy tiny box off of Amazon. Look how cute is this. You do get this in several different colors. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just find this to be very useful, so I decided to make a video. You get tiny bottle like this. You can fill it up with your solution and get this thing so you can put your lenses in it. What is this tweezer, and this is kind of a stick with a suction cap on top of it. I'll add a purchase link down in the description box for your convenience. So this is the contact tweezer and this is a contact applicator. The contact lens applicator is curved to hug your lenses. Can you see this silicone head over here that looks like tiny suction cap? You can use this tweezer to pick up your lens and place it on the applicator. The tweezer you have has a silicone tips to prevent them from ripping or puncturing your lens. Stretch your eyelids and pull down your under eye with your other hand, or your non-dominant hand basically, and open your eyes wide and look straight into the mirror or into the lens and pop it right in. And it is in. So easy. By the way, these lenses are from Claire Eye. They have such a good variety of color lenses, especially for us Indian brown eyes girl. And I have 30% discount code for their website, so I'll make sure to link that in description box if you guys are looking for some affordable lenses. And now that the scary part is over, I'm gonna remove the lens with a tweezer. I guess this is the scary part, I suppose. Anyway, I'm looking into my mirror and I'm going to grab the bottom section of my lens instead of the center, because if you touch your middle section you'll be scared because the tweezer is right, like, you know, coming right into your eyes, and I mean it can touch your actual irises, which may be, you know, not good, I suppose. So if your hand slips or whatever, it's going to touch your iris. I mean, that's how I feel. It kind of creeps me out, whatever. So just grab the bottom part and that's it. It's out. Hope that helps. I'll make sure to link more videos about nails down below, like me trying out new nails and stuff and comparing quality, or the press on nail, how to apply press on nails, things like that. I hope you get the idea. So anyway, yes, like, comment, subscribe, and that's all I ask, man. Do it. Bye.